Hello kids. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Who will tell me what should I draw? Toda, yes, tell me. Exactly, I draw a house for you. It's very easy and simple drawing. You can draw this at your home without any difficulty. Don't forget to like and subscribe my YouTube channel. First of all, you need to draw the triangle. Then draw the box and draw the door of the house. Wow, it's so easy and amazing drawing. You can draw this at your home without any difficulty. Then draw the 2 windows of the house. How many windows do you have at your home? I have 8 windows at my home. See, it's very easy drawing. This is not difficulty to draw the house. See, the door is ready. Now the window is ready. I draw the 2 windows of the house. Then I divide the windows into 4 parts. Wow, that's awesome and simple drawing. You can draw this drawing in a very easy way. Actually, triangle is considered the roof of the house. Don't forget to draw the tree. It's very easy to draw the tree. Who will tell me how many trees at your home? I have 4 trees at my home and I daily watering the tree. Do you like the trees? I like trees so much. Who will tell me what is missing? Yes, tell me. Exactly, it's coloring. So let's coloring with me. First of all, I color in the window. I use the blue color in the 2 parts of the window. Then I use the blue color at the other window of the 2 parts. Then I use the pink color. Pink color is so beautiful. Pink is my favorite color. Do you like the pink color? See, blue and pink color look so beautiful and awesome. Then I use the red color. Then I use the yellow color in the house. Don't forget to color in the tree. See, it looks so beautiful. See you soon.